In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, playable Spotify embed sitting right on your Notion page, perfect for study sessions, mood boards, or team playlists. First, head over to Spotify and pick the music you want to feature. This can be an individual song or an entire album, whatever suits your page. If you're on the desktop app or the web player, the process is the same. Take a moment to open the exact song or album, so Spotify shows it front and center. That way, you're copying the precise link you need. Next, look for the three dots next to the title or artwork. This menu holds all the sharing options you'll use to bring the music into Notion. Click those three dots to open the menu. Now, hover over Share. A smaller menu will appear to the side with different link choices. This is where you pick the format of the link you want to use in Notion. Click on Copy Link to Album. If you chose a specific track, you'll see the equivalent option for that track instead. Copying the album link will embed an album player, while copying a song link will embed a single track player. Either works. Use the one that matches your goal. When you click it, Spotify copies the URL to your clipboard instantly. Switch over to Notion and open the page where you want the music to live. Make sure your cursor is in the spot where the player should appear. A blank line is ideal so the embed has room to display. Paste the link you just copied. Notion will recognize it as a Spotify URL and display a small preview prompt. If you don't see the prompt right away, give it a second. Notion is just fetching the preview from Spotify. When the prompt appears, click Embed. Notion will transform the link into an embedded Spotify player. You'll see the artwork, title, and playback controls. Press play to confirm everything's working. Depending on your region and account, Spotify embeds may play a full track or a short preview, and you might be asked to log into Spotify for full playback. If the player doesn't load, double check that the Spotify content is publicly available and that the link wasn't altered. Copying it again from the share menu usually fixes any hiccups. And that's it. Your Spotify music is now embedded directly in Notion. You've gone from selecting a song, grabbing its share link, pasting it into Notion, and choosing Embed to a clean, functional player ready to use. Enjoy building out your pages with the perfect soundtrack.